A1 English listening. Movie preferences.
Hi, I'm Juan. Today, we're going to talk about movies. The last movie I saw was Moon Brothers. It's a kids' movie about a boy and a wolf. I watched it at the movie theater with my wife and kids. It was a happy and funny movie.
My favorite movie is Silver Blades. It's an action movie. It's very exciting, and I watch it every year. I also like documentaries because they are interesting and informative. Some documentaries are sad and serious, but I don't mind. I prefer comedies to romances because they are funny. I don't like romances very much because they are boring. I hate horror movies. They are frightening and give me nightmares. Now, it's your turn. What is your favorite movie? What type of movie is it? Why do you like it?